Mamas, are your locks constantly dry? One piece of advice: go and wash them. Honestly, moisturized locks or hair starts from wash day. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you my current wash day regimen, and this wash day regimen keeps my locks moisturized for the whole week. Okay, mama, so before I wash my locks, I tend to what they call braid and band. Instead of braiding and banding my sister locks, I just braid the roots and then twist the rest of my locks. And I do this because I have starter locks, and with starter locks, to prevent or minimize slippage, it's important that you braid and band or twist or braid your hair when you wash it. I find this easier when it comes to my locks than braiding and banding. I just don't like that method. So I'm going to show you what I do. So I just split my hair. So then I braid the roots. Not tight, but slightly firm. And then I just twist. So now that's done, what I like to do before shampooing is to fully saturate my locks with water. The next step is to shampoo. Now this step I like to really take my time. Start off by concentrating on my scalp and then the full length of my locks. Now this particular shampoo by Carol's Daughter I really like because I'm really able to, focus the nozzle on my scalp to apply the shampoo where it's needed, and then I use the pads of my fingers to really work that in. I don't play when it comes to shampooing my locks because I want to get rid of as much buildup, oil, dirt and whatever from my scalp and from my locks. This ensures that my locks are healthy and also that my locks aren't dry and my scalp isn't having any issues. Now it's time to rinse my locks after thoroughly shampooing them. Okay, so another important thing to note when it comes to rinsing the shampoo from my locks is that I take my time again to really rinse well. And the reason for this is because if there's any trace of shampoo left on my locks, once my locks have dried, my locks will be dry. So to avoid that dryness on my locks, I take my time and rinse really well. Put this microfiber towel on my head to just take out the excess water moisture from my hair. I wait till my hair is about 50 to 60% dry, and then I will moisturize it, and I'll show you how I do that once it has dried. Okay guys, so I am back and ready to show you. This is how it looks. So I'm going to, so what I do is I just unravel everything. Now, you gotta be careful how you unravel, so you don't break your hair off basically. So as I'm taking it out, I like to detangle the roots just so they don't start meshing together. So now that I've taken out the twists, I'm now going to section off my locks, and then I'm going to condition them. Now, not with a deep conditioner, but I'm going to condition them with a leave-in conditioner. Now, this leave-in conditioner by Oin is one of my favorites. My loose natural hair used to love it, and my locks loves this leave-in conditioner too. This leave-in conditioner is lightweight, so I don't experience any buildup. As you can see, you can hardly see any residue on my locks. It really soaks into my locks extremely well, and also it keeps my locks conditioned for the whole week, so I'm not needing to, you know, spritz my hair with water, apply any oils or all that kind of stuff. No, I only need to moisturize my hair a week after this wash day regimen. So when I'm done applying the leave-in conditioner to my locks, I then twist them. So once I'm done twisting up my locks, I leave them to air dry. Now, this is one of the reasons why I wash my locks early in the morning, to give it enough time to dry, so I'm not going to bed with damp hair or wet locks. That is a recipe for disaster. Check out the video that's showing on the bottom left hand corner of the screen to see how I moisturize my locks outside of wash day. So this is 7 days later. This method keeps my locks conditioned and not dry for the whole week.